Hi, I'm Chloe from Garden Gate Magazine, and this weekend after the weather warmed up, I decided to hit the greenhouses and pick up some of my favorite spring plants to fill my spring containers. But if you're like me, you probably got to the greenhouse and found way more than you need that you loved. So I have these gorgeous plants here, and I have this old basket I decided to upcycle as a container. Pretty simple, just line it with some landscaping fabric and a little potting mix. So I decided I'm going to a party this weekend. I'll bring it as a hostess gift. Plant up this container with some of my leftover plants. So the great thing about these plants is that they are mostly perennials. That means when she's done using them in the container, she can plant them right in her garden and enjoy them for years to come. So if you would like more information about the detailed plant list or about what the container looks like in the end, I'm going to get started, and you can head to gardengatemagazine.com to get more information.
Hi, I'm Kristen with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe to Garden Gate Magazine's YouTube channel. There you'll find tips, design ideas, and how-to help for gardeners just like you. Click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.